Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can parse the Upwork Freelancer Plus package. So first you have to log into your Upwork account. Uh, then you have to go to the settings. Then you have to enter your Upwork password. I will tell you the benefits of Freelancer Plus package of Upwork. First, Let me go into the compare page or buying the membership page. Here is under the user setting you can find membership and connects. So click here membership and connects. Then you can see here is our freelancer basic plan we have, and here you can see a section where we can buy connects. So if you want to buy just connects, then you can buy from here. So let's see the pricing of connects. Here you can see here we can buy 10 connects for $1.5, 20 connects for $3.0, and here you can see all the pricing list. And they added a new added this amounts and packages new. They don't have these packages uh, in older days. And also you can create a custom buy with custom amounts. Like if you want to buy 100 connects, then it will be charged uh, uh, 15 $15. Okay, so I am canceling it because I don't want to buy connects. I want to buy a freelancer plus package. And um, and why I am going to buy the freelancer plus package, I will tell you. Listen, if I use freelancer basic plan, okay, let me show the comparison. So here is the our basic plan, and here is plus. So in free plan you will get 10 connects monthly, and you can buy connects as you want, but you have to pay 0.15 uh, as a tax for each package, and hourly protection to ensure you are paid for each hour. You will get protection on the hourly work, and also you will get the protection on fixed price payment or milestones, and you will get limited reports and functionality. But in this plus package you will get 18 connects per month, but you have to charge every month. But don't worry, you can cancel it anytime. Then let's see what's the other features we will get. View computers bids for any job. We can see the computers bid, or how what is the amount they are bidding on the jobs. We can see it. Extended reports and functionality include grouping and sorting. Settings to keep your earning confidential. It's mean if we go someone's profile, we can see how many they earn. In the plus package, you can hide that. Customize your profile URL. You can customize your profile URL as you want. Your profile will be never be set to hidden due to inactivity. If you have this package and if you inactive on Upwork, and then you can all Upwork will not hide your profile. Your profile will be active. And here we get three new features. They added these features recently. Get personalized coaching and attend weekly office hours. Get exclusive access to the Freelancer Plus group and events. Skip the line for Upwork skill certificate. Enjoy a 0% fee when you bring new client to Upwork. Okay. Also, we have if we uh, buy this package within 13 June, we will get let's see, includes everything in basic and more. Join before June 13 to unlock exclusive new feature for the next 3 months. It means we will get exclusive new features for the 3 months, and this package for monthly. It will charge us monthly. So how you can get it? You have to click on upgrade to plus, and here you can see it says that we have to pay $15, and connect we have connect will get 79 connects, and we have 61. It will our balance will be 140. So then we have to click active freelancer plus. Then you can payment via the payment card, or you can use your Upwork balance. So I have Upwork balance, so I will pay through Upwork balance. Or if you don't have the Upwork balance, you can select payment card, then enter your card number, name, expiry date, expiry month and year, security code or CVV code, then country and address, other things. So I simply check I will pay with Upwork balance. So I select this balance and pay now. We have to click on pay now, and it's done. Now you can see we have freelancer plus package, and we have 140 40 connects. So, and finally I will show you the some benefits of a freelancer package. So let's think this is a job post. So when I click on it, Let see this. I can see the highest bid, average bid, and lowest bid. So I can bid here according these bids. So I when I bid with according this amount, high, average, and low, it increase my possibility to get this this job. So let's see in my profile, it is it any changes or not. Okay, no, there is no changes. So okay, now let's see the state. Here is my states, and that's it. So you you know that how we can buy the Freelancer Plus package on Upwork. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you, and I'm inviting you to see my next video. Thank you.